Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video we want to go inside our Seller Central, and if you guys haven't set up your Seller Central, it behooves you to learn everything about Seller Central. If you guys need me to do a video on Seller Central, you can comment down below. But Amazon does a great university and great job of explaining how to use Seller Central, but there's some key things that they leave out. In this video, we're going to actually talk about how to automate your pricing to stay competitive with the buy box or competitive with the low pricing. So it kind of takes the guesswork out of it, and it keeps you competitive, and it will change your pricing for you just to keep you competitive in the marketplace. That way you're not going back every day to try to match the prices versus other sellers or other marketers on the Amazon platform. So the first thing, and there's a lot out there. There's reprice it, um, different tools that you can actually pay for. But again, in this series, we're gonna actually try to not pay for a lot of stuff here. So Amazon has a pretty good one. It's not the best one. Some of the paid ones are a little better. So if you want to go out and research some of the paid ones, reprice it is a nice one that I've heard about. It's only $10 a month. But again, this we want to keep more profits in your pockets here. So all you will go to is automate pricing, and when that comes up, I already have a automation here, but to go through it for you guys, go to create custom pricing. Now, it depends on what you're selling. So be competitive with the buy box if you know you have a lot of sellers on a particular product, uh, and then you see a whole bunch of sellers. So you want to be competitive buy box. If you selling books or used or retail arbitrage, you want to go with the lowest price. Competitive external pricing if you're going against Amazon pricing. And then based on unit sales is if you have your own product, you are going to bring out later on in the course, not in the course, later on in the video series, we're going to go over how to make your own products, and then that will come into play. And if you just in business and you want to sell to other business and business prices, that's where you will go there. So most of us will have the buy box. So we go buy box. What you want to name your rule? We just say buy box. All right. I'm on 3 different ones, so we're gonna go with the American one. Um, so stay below buy box price by a specific amount. Uh, so if you're selling specific niche that's a lower price, you might want to go with somewhere like $5 to $10. But if you're selling more high price things, you want to go to 10 to 20. So we're gonna go 10. In here, offers the same, yes. Condition, yes. Specific offers, if you only if the same fulfillment or from another third party, you want to leave that right there for all offers. But if you're competing against other ones, say if you have your own product, you want to use the offers or the third party sellers. Compare with Amazon prices, yes. Continue repricing the update, yes. So save this rule and it will save. Now, how will you check that? You'll go to your, so if we're doing drop shipping, it will go here under the manage inventory. But since we're doing FBA on this particular, and wholesale on this particular part of the video series, we're going to go with manage inventory here. So I've sent these things in Amazon hasn't checked them in. Uh, when you're doing retail arbitrage, you will find that it takes Amazon a while now since the COVID-19 stuff that, well, actually, I created this and I finally sent it in, but it takes them a while for them to process it. And then once they process it, your your buy box and that repricer will actually throw a price inside there, and then you will see if it's inbound, if it's already how many you have available, and how many people want to buy it. There's your FBA fees, and then you can adjust your pricing as far as the profit margin that you want to make. Uh, Generally, on low price things, you want to make 10 to 20. Anything over 50 or 60, anything over, excuse me, 150 to $200, you want to make 40 to 50% of profit. So yeah, so this is a very easy way for us to do it, and it's very cheap. So in the next video, we're gonna go over FBA tools and pricing. Just I know in the last video we talked about using the scanner, but I'm just waiting on my inventory sheets from certain suppliers so I can actually show you guys how that goes. So click like, subscribe. If you guys want me to do a video on actually how to use Seller Central, leave comments below. We'll see you next time.